Get ready for a factory floor adventure. We're going behind the scenes to see how Heinz mayonnaise is made. From egg to emulsion, we'll witness the incredible speed and precision of the production process. Buckle up, because this is a journey you won't want to miss. Have you ever wondered about the origin of the Heinz name? Heinz was named after its founder. As with many businesses, Henry J. Heinz was born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in 1844, who founded what would eventually be known as H. J. Heinz Company in 1869. But before deciding on Heinz, the business had several names. First, registered as Anchor Pickle and Vinegar Works, it changed its name to Heinz and Noble. Heinz was also in a different kind of pickle during the Panic of 1873. He contacted his family despite having limited funds. The business was renamed F&J Heinz when his brother John and cousin Franklin assisted in its re-establishment. After he recovered, Henry regained control of the business and, in 1888, renamed it to the H. J. Heinz Company with his initials. The origin of Heinz mayonnaise is part of the company's history and its development of high-quality products. Heinz was likely diversifying its range with this popular addition. True to the brand, there was a focus on the excellent quality of the mayonnaise. Marketing techniques likely included newspaper ads, radio spots, and billboards in stores. Heinz mayonnaise is widely used today and remains synonymous with its quality and the Heinz brand name. Now, let's get into the making of your favorite mayonnaise. A large-scale, methodical procedure is used in factories to create Heinz mayonnaise, guaranteeing uniformity, quality, and safety in each jar. To reach the high standards of the brand, the procedure usually includes meticulous raw ingredient selection, accurate blending, and strict quality control. This is a thorough explanation of the factory process used to make Heinz mayonnaise. Mayonnaise starts with fresh green farms where chickens run free and produce fresh eggs yearly for consumption. To give an example, the factory uses 50 million eggs, and none of them can escape the scrupulous check. These eggs are not just raw materials, they are the life of the mayonnaise. At Heinz, mayonnaise production starts with the sourcing of appropriate and quality raw materials. The basic ingredients of mayonnaise include oil, vinegar, mustard, sugar, salt, and other spices are also added. Some of the products he uses are pasteurized eggs to eliminate any danger of food poisoning. Common oils used in making vegan cheese are soybean and canola oil, which do not alter the taste of the cheese and provide a smooth, creamy texture. Acidulated vinegar and lemon juice are also added to bring out the taste of acidity and act as a preservative. Each material is subjected to quality control checks to ensure that they conform to the Heinz quality standards before they are ferried to the production site. The next step is the oil. Not for your car, but for your cake. And you must use the right kind of oil. Soybean or canola oil, but the best kind is the light or mild one. To maintain the texture and provide that soft and smooth feel on a bottle of mayonnaise, the factory consumes approximately 10 million liters of oil per year. And what about vinegar, which is buried within mayonnaise, as well as other unique seasonings such as mustard, sugar, and salt, all ingredients without which mayonnaise cannot be made. The key technology in mayonnaise processing revolves around the emulsification step that involves combining a two-phase system comprising oil and water-based food ingredients. This is realized in Heinz factories by the use of industrial mixtures fitted with high-speed blades. The primary scenes of the production will show you large company mixers working with great accuracy. The process of mayonnaise making is all about emulsifying two liquids that do not mix well together. At least not initially. This begins with the eggs. Fast revolving mixers beat the eggs into a smooth batter for the block. Then the initial steps include beating egg yolks, vinegar, and mustard. These are contributing ingredients as they help the oil and water phase to mix and not phase out. The oil is then added slowly in a fine stream whilst the mixer is on a high speed. The gradual addition process is also paramount when attempting to achieve the recommended creaminess of this recipe. The mixing process continues, and the oil droplets are kept well emulsified, and then they attain that typical thick, rich texture. This step is crucial. If either done too quickly or too slowly, the mixture does not reach the right texture. The models that can mix high capacities can produce mayonnaise at a rate of up to 5,000 liters per hour. The other ingredients, including sugar, salt, and any flavor-specific additives, are added after the initial emulsification is finished. To guarantee that the mayonnaise has a consistent flavor and consistency, these are well combined. Heinz frequently uses carefully guarded formulations and proprietary recipes to set their mayonnaise apart from rivals. To preserve the perfect consistency and stop the mayonnaise from disintegrating, the temperature in the mixing tanks is regulated. Basically, that brings us to the next step in the process, which is the pasteurization for sanitation. In order to make the mayonnaise safe and maintain its shelf stability, the mixture has to be pasteurized. This is done by taking the mayonnaise to a certain temperature range whereby it is able to eliminate the bacteria without necessarily ruining the taste. Some batches may also get homogenized in order to give a finer texture through emulsification of the remaining oil droplets. The mayonnaise mixture requires heat treatment to a temperature of about 72 degrees Celsius to effectively neutralize dangerous bacteria, but which will not affect the taste or consistency of the final product. During the pasteurization process, the mayonnaise goes to one of the most interesting stages, the stage of filling and packaging. These machines move very fast, like robots in a sci-fi movie, and work very well to fill each jar of mayonnaise accurately. Each jar is then filled up to completion to avoid any jar being underfilled. The machine can reach 300 jars of mayonnaise on her in a minute. Have you ever realized how rapidly? Upon which the jars are closed very tightly. What is offered here is the packaging process, not only that helps to preserve the quality of the mayonnaise, but also does not let something extra get into its package. Following preparation, the mayonnaise is sent to filling machines, which divide it into portions for jars, squeeze bottles, and other containers. To ensure accuracy in hygienic conditions, the filling procedure is automated. To avoid contamination, each container is sealed as soon as it's filled. Labels with product details, batch numbers, and expiration dates are applied. Every jar of mayonnaise must pass a stringent quality control testing before it is shipped from the plant. Taste, consistency, and safety are among the things that are tested. To guarantee customer satisfaction, the firm performs more than 20,000 quality control tests annually. Heinz performs stringent quality control inspections at several points during the production process, including ingredient testing, emulsification monitoring, and final product inspection. Each batch's samples are examined to make sure they satisfy the company's requirements for safety, flavor, and texture. After approval, the mayonnaise is prepared for shipment to retail locations across the globe by being packaged into cartons and pallets. Heinz is able to create mayonnaise on a large scale while preserving the rich, creamy flavor and reliable quality that consumers have come to expect thanks to this painstaking procedure. So there you have it. From free-range farms to high-tech factories, Heinz mayonnaise undergoes a fascinating journey to reach your kitchen table. This meticulous process ensures every jar delivers that signature Heinz flavor and quality. Want to learn more about the incredible world of food production? Subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods are made. And don't forget to like and share this video.